Hello, I'm the Rifter, and welcome to yet another tutorial about random crap that you probably don't care about, but this is pretty cool. If you have played Fortnite on Nintendo Switch, then you will most likely be pretty familiar with gyroscopic aiming. Gyroscopic aiming is one of my favorite things about playing Fortnite on the Switch. Incidentally, the Switch is not very fast at rendering Fortnite. I don't know why, but especially when you have it output to a TV, unless you're putting out 480p or 720p, its native resolution, there is a lot of jumps, and it's not because of lag. It's just, I'm assuming it's the processor and the amount of RAM, and that it's just old hardware. However, there is a way to get gyroscopic aiming on a PC. And the way to do that is to get yourself a PS4 controller or a PS5 controller. I have got a PS5 controller with no PS5 because I'm a total tool and I can't find a PS5 that's like under $2,000, and I refuse to pay that much for one. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to use the PS5 controller for gyroscopic aiming on Fortnite, and we'll even do some testing on it. So, the first step is have a computer, have it on. Big shock, right? Open your nifty Chrome window. Let me move it over here. Or Microsoft Edge. Or Firefox, or Netscape, which I don't know if anybody uses Netscape, or Opera, or whatever you're going to use, because reasons. So once you have your web browser open, you will navigate to this website. Sorry about all the background noise, still remodeling a kitchen. You will go to ds4-windows.com, and you will get bombarded with ads immediately. I'll put this link in the description down below, and I'll also put the direct download link for the software down below. So you'll be greeted with this nice screen here once you go to this website. You will click the download button. You'll probably get a weird thing. You'll just click close, and I think it's just because I've come to this website already today. Okay, this is not your download button. This is your download button. DS4 Windows download. Railchan 7 DS4 version 2022 is what you want. It's not a very big file. It's 3.28 megs. Download it and move on. They literally just updated this. I had to upgrade mine the other day. Yeah, I haven't tried that. DS5 Windows. Oh well, I got it to work with DS4, so that's what I'm going to use. So, after downloading it, it's going to go to your downloads folder. If you don't know where your downloads folder is, I can't help you. Actually, yes I can. Since you probably don't have your bottom taskbar set up like mine, right-click the Windows logo and go to File Explorer, and you should get all of this crop here. Click Downloads, and then you are going to open, actually you can right click and hold down and let up and just do extract here, just like that, and it will make the folder on your desktop. Since I've already got that up here, I'm just going to delete that, and this is what I'm using. And it's not actually an installable file. It is just it's like a portable file. But you will open DS4 Windows. You will be greeted with this page. Now, to get the wireless function, you have to actually have Bluetooth on your computer. Big shock, I know. Right click this, Bluetooth logo, add a Bluetooth device, and believe it or not, you'll click add Bluetooth or device, Bluetooth, and make sure that your PS5 controller is in pairing mode. We are remodeling, so there's a bunch of wood in the floor. And yes, I'm using a toilet paper roll to hold my microphone up. It's not ghetto at all. But what you need to do to put your controller in pairing mode is hold down your PS5 button and this button right here. Oop, there we go. The PS button in the middle and then this button at the same time. It'll start flashing like that. It may not be showing up because I honestly already have this thing paired. I'll go ahead and remove it in the name of science. So, wireless input controller, click on that, it will connect, and it will probably, I believe it pops up a prompt, and it does take a minute. Because reasons. Oh, it shut off. There we go. They're setting it up. Done. You can close out your Bluetooth settings. It may take just a second to install. But once it's actually connected to your computer, it will show up here. Mine says DualSense because guess what? It's a DualSense. Big shock. So, this is kind of a confusing program, and I don't understand how the whole thing works. It does come with some default setup, which I haven't really changed much, but you should have a controller listed here. Status Bluetooth. If you start running low on battery, you can put a USB-C cord into there and hook it to your computer. But you will go here to click Edit next. And from this menu, you can click here, edit what color the light is. Pretty cool. Whatever you want to do that. Which, this is a purple controller, all that Walmart had at the time. So we're going to rock out with some purple. So there's all kinds of crap in here. It should go right to profiles because you go from controllers to profiles. But the main thing you're going to concentrate on is gyro. I tried mouse for a while and it'll come set up like this. And I tried mouse, doesn't work that well on mouse. Mouse joystick though does work really well. It's going to come on as well. It's going to default to always on. You definitely don't want that. You want it to be triggered by L2 if you're playing Fortnite, especially. So go ahead and put triggers L2, and that's pretty much it. Which that's joystick mouse. If I go to mouse and I do L2, you can see I'm not put my mouse right there. I'm not using my mouse. It's kind of nifty. You can set this thing up to work like a mouse too. I don't recommend putting on smoothing. It's kind of weird when you're in the game, but now that we've got that taken care of, I will demonstrate this in game and we'll rock on with it. So make sure you leave this open. Like, you don't have to leave it up like this, but make sure you leave it open. Oh, mouse joystick. There we go. Almost jacked that all up. You want to make sure it says mouse joystick. I was wondering why smoothing was on, but you want turn behavior and you want it to trigger on L2. Don't know how well this is going to work. Well, we'll try it out. just to show you guys how well it can work. And simply because the Switch doesn't, I just don't think it's fast enough to play. But if you have a PC where you have a faster processor and you can actually view it at 60 frames per second, it's a little easier. Can't do anything about the lag that people throw in there, so. There's your gyroscopic aiming, just pressing L2. Now I am recording and playing at the same time, so this could be a little jumpy, I'm not sure. Let's try this out. A lot easier to get headshots now. Where'd you go, buddy? As you can see, it's a lot smoother aiming with the sniper rifle. I do really like this aiming system. You can adjust your sensitivity and everything. The default is, it seems okay to me. I'm used to it on the Switch, and it feels very Switch-ish, so. See, that's what happens. I think I pulled it way over here, but you get the idea. I can't believe I'm doing so well with how jumpy this is. It's really jacking my aim up. You can see how much smoother it is when aiming, especially if you don't like using a keyboard and mouse, which I'm not a huge fan of that. The only thing that's kind of garbage about this is because you have to, I mean, you can still move the stick while you're using gyro. It's not as easy as just letting go and resetting real quick. Where'd he go? Saw some dude running over there. Ah, come on. nailed him. Well, I got third, but still, it's jumping around too much for me while I'm recording, but I think you guys get the idea. It's pretty, gyroscopic aiming can be very, very effective. But I will put these links in, not the Discord, but I'll put these links in the description to download. And I think I pulled my hands down here while I was playing sometimes, but I don't usually play way up here. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe if this helped you, because it helps me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, 973 subscribers? Yeah, I'm almost there. Keep going. Thanks.